you are. Hey, I just want to take a minute to talk to you about calculators for our class, like my little cartoon there. You do need a calculator for this math class. It's a requirement. You need to bring it to class with you every day, okay? Now I know that your phone, if you have a smartphone, it's got a calculator built in there and it will work probably just fine for all the math you need in this class. There's one problem with that, is that phones are not allowed on tests and quizzes. So if you get all used to your phone calculator while you're doing your math in class, and then you sit for a test and a quiz and you can't use it, you're using an unfamiliar calculator that you've stashed in your room all these weeks and stuff, that's not a good recipe for success, because that actual calculator will be unfamiliar to you right when you're taking a test, right when it's a high stakes environment. So you want to go ahead and buy a math calculator for use in this class. Now fortunately, this is super easy to do. You can go on Amazon, there's a million different kinds of calculators that will work just fine. I'm going to get to that in a minute. And you can get them for 10 bucks, 15 bucks. You shouldn't have to spend more than 30 for a decent calculator, but you can spend quite a bit less than 30. So I want to show you the one I use so you have a feeling for what that might look like. I use a TI-30XA. It's this little guy right here, and it does everything you need it to do. It's got sine, cosine, and tangent buttons. It's got a log button. It's got all the regular functions and all of that. That's really all you need for this class. It's called a scientific calculator, which means it will also do scientific notation. So you want to go out, buy yourself a calculator, then create a system so you know it will always be with you when you're in class. One handy way to do that is just keep it in your day pack, the pack you carry your books around with you to class. If you just keep it in there, then all you got to do is remember to bring your pack with you to class and you will have your calculator. So that's really all I have to say about calculators. If you'd like a link from me, just send me an email and I'll shoot you a link to like an Amazon product that you can buy with appropriate calculator for our class.